My day starts early, before the factory is running and before the first production decisions begin shaping the schedule. By the time I leave for the mill, I already know the priorities for the day. Machine performance, sari output, yarn planning, and customer commitments. Arriving at the factory is the moment the day becomes real. Every machine, every worker, and every delivery target has to move in sync. Once I step inside, the atmosphere changes immediately. You can hear production building across the floor as the sari lines get underway. This is the heart of the operation. We run 8 Rapier Jacquard machines, and each one has to deliver consistent weaving quality throughout the shift. Across the machines, saris move in different colors, motifs, and border designs. That mix is what keeps our production flexible for market demand. 4 laborers manage the flow with real efficiency, watching threads, handling changeovers, and keeping output steady without slowing the line. Not every hour is smooth. When a machine shows irregular movement or tension issues, we address it immediately on the floor. I speak with the laborers first because they notice small changes early, whether it's noise, thread breaks, or a pattern mismatch. From there, we inspect the equipment and decide the next step. Quick adjustment, maintenance follow-up, or a temporary production change to protect quality. After the floor review, I sit down with the manager to look at the previous production, run, and where we stood against the day's target.
We review output machine by machine, then match that against pending sari requirements so the next shift starts with a clear plan.
Yarn planning is a big part of that conversation. If counts, colors, or quantities are off, production delays show up very quickly. Design development runs alongside production. During the day, I coordinate with our designer on 10 new sari concepts for upcoming orders and market response. Those discussions cover pattern direction, color combinations, and what will translate well from concept into efficient weaving on our machines. I also speak with the yarn supplier to confirm materials and shades, because design ambition only works when the right yarn arrives on time. Buyer calls are where internal planning meets the market. We talk about future orders, delivery expectations, and the specifications they care about most. These conversations help us align production capacity with customer requirements so commitments stay realistic and relationships stay strong. Before the day ends, the manager and I align once more on production strategy, follow-ups, and what needs attention first thing tomorrow. As I leave the factory, the day feels bigger than a routine. It's about quality, coordination, and building trust through every sari we produce.